How to play music on Spotify while playing Roblox. So, first, you just have to simply open your Spotify and then locate or select the song that you want to play or set as your background music. So, let's just say this one. And what you want to do is just simply click play or tap the button play. Now, next thing to do is to just simply minimize this, or you just have to simply swipe it down and then look for your Roblox and open it. Now log into your account, and then here you have to look for that experience that you want to play or the experience that you're looking for. For example, this Brookhaven here. Tap the screen button to play, and then you can now start playing while you listen to your Spotify music. Okay, so as you can see here, I can now play Roblox, and if I swipe down, I can still see that my Spotify music is still playing. While others, they sometimes encounter that when they start playing, it will pause or it will stop their music or their background music or their Spotify. So what you want to do if you experience that is to just simply go back to your Spotify, play it again, and then open your Roblox again. As easy as that. So that's how easy it is to play music on Spotify while playing Roblox. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.